Hello guys, it's your boy Design Hub. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do a business card design. So all we need to do is go to our Pixellab workspace and choose the suitable size for our business card. So I will click here in order to resize this. Then I will choose image size. Alright, for the width, I will put the width at 1200. Then the height we take 690. Okay, so for the background color, we choose here. We click here to choose my background color, and I will click on the color icon. So I will just navigate through these colors. I will take white, then I will click on the shape tool. Click on shapes. The color of this, I will change it to red. Then the radius, I'll put the radius at 10. Let me take 15. Alright, so I will enlarge, rotate, and place in this manner. I'll place it in this manner. Then I'll copy this, change the color to white. Let me reduce the size. I'll place it in such a way that it aligns with this, the edges aligns. Let me lock this. Also, what you need to know is that a business card has two sides, the front side, or we call it the front end, and the back end. What we are doing now is the back end. After this, we're gonna do the front end. So I will change this one to black. I've done a duplicate of that white shape. I'll change it to black, or rotate. Make sure the edge is still aligned with this one. Bring it down. Alright, so all I need to do now is to bring in my color, my icons, contact icons. So these are the icons I'll be using. So first of all, I'm going to let me take the phone icon, the call icon. Alright, I will change this to red. And I place here. I'll just copy, choose another one, the email icon, place downward. Do same here. I'll choose the home icon. Alright, I want to ensure that they all align well. Alright, let me copy this. So I'm going to take this other icon down here. Okay, so the only thing left now is for me to put in the necessary details. So the name here will be Thomas Smith. Let me just put in the details. Okay, I'm done with the details. I'm done putting the details. So I think all I need to do now is to save this design and go to the front end. This is where we click and save. Okay, the design have been saved. Let me save the project as well. Alright, so I will be designing the front end now. So I will just erase everything. The reason why I'm taking my time is for you to know how to, to grab the concept and be able to apply. So after this, I would like you to do your own design and send to me. My contact details is in the description of this video. Just click there and send me your own design so that I can see what you have done. Alright, so I will just reposition these shapes. This one, I'll place it here. Alright, as for this white one, I'll place it here. Then this black one, I'll take it up. Okay, so what is left now is for me to bring in the logo. So this is the logo I'll be using. You can just look for any logo and use. So this is my logo. This is the logo I'm using. And what's my company's name? The company's name I'll be using here will be Design Hub. That's the company name I'll be using. Alright, so the tagline here I'll use is transforming hands into skills. That's the slogan I'll be using. Alright, I think we are done with the design. Let me just shift this towards the right so that it gives the design balance. Okay, so we have come to the end of this video. I would like you to, if you have not yet subscribed, hit on that subscribe button, like this video, turn on the notification bell so that I get notified each time I drop a new video on my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.